Hey everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and today's video is going to talk about something called the snipping tool. In previous videos, I talked about taking a screenshot of your computer's desktop with the print screen button, but today we're going to talk about taking a screenshot of a smaller part of your desktop. So the way that works is you're going to use something called the snipping tool. And the way we access the snipping tool is you're going to take your cursor, you're going to put it over the start button right here in the lower left hand corner of your screen. Then what you're going to do is you're going to scroll, you're going to turn the mouse wheel towards you and scroll down. And if you can't, you don't, your mouse may not have a mouse wheel. If it doesn't, you're going to move your cursor over to this line right here until it widens. And then you're going to hold down your left mouse button and drag this little bar down until you get to Windows Accessories. And you can see Windows Accessories right there. We're going to left click on that once. And we're going to see right here as we scroll down a little further, we see the snipping tool. So we're going to want this on our desktop. So we're going to left click and hold the left mouse button down, and then we're going to drag the snipping tool to the desktop. So now we have a shortcut to the snipping tool, and then we're also going to right click on that shortcut, and well, I've already pinned it to the taskbar, but let's say if it wasn't pinned to the taskbar, you would right click on that and select left click on pin to taskbar, and that'll pin it to the taskbar. So what we're going to do is, let's just say all we want is the left half of the desktop. So we're going to double click, always with the left mouse button, on the snipping tool. Then we're going to select new, and it's going to look like it's grayed out the whole desktop. But what it's really doing is it's asking you what you want to copy. So we're going to take our cursor right here, as you can see it's little crosshairs, and we're going to put it to one side of what we want, and then we're going to drag to the left and down, and then we're going to let go. And as you can see, it's copied only that which I have selected into the snipping tool. So now you have options. You can print, you can go to File and print that out. You can save it so that later you can upload it to social media, or post it to a blog or something like that. And then you also have things like the pen, which will allow you to circle things, and you have a highlighter, which will allow you to highlight things, and you have an eraser, which will allow you to erase elements just like that. Yeah, and then you have different modes that can be used for how you snip. So you don't have to snip in a rectangular. You can do freeform snip. And if you do freeform snip, let's see here. Let's open this up. Mode, yeah, freeform snip. I can just, there we go. Freeform snip. There we go. So I can just take that and that. Ooh, that's pretty cool. So you can snip things, however you want. That's freeform snip. There's rectangular snip. There's window snip. And window snip will take just a window. So let's say you had a window open like that, and we wanted to go to NASA's website. Let's go there. And then let's open up that, and we got a new, yeah, so it just will basically take, window snip will take whatever that window is that happens to be open, that's pretty cool. So there's all sorts of like little options that you can use with the snipping tool, and it's a very handy way to select a certain visual part of your desktop, whatever you're viewing on your computer, and to be able to show other people. I hope this has been helpful and informative today. If so, please like and share this video, As always, please subscribe to my channel. If you need any computer help in the Memphis, Bartlett, Germantown, or Collierville area, please feel free to give me a ring. Dave Bensman, Bensman Home Computer Repair at 901-830-4362. And as always, stay safe.